Hello, kids. Welcome to Little Bud's Blossoms. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Hey there, friends. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to explore some of our favorite shapes: triangles, rectangles, circles, and much more. Are you ready? Let's go. Guess who it is? That's right. This is a triangle. Triangles are super cool because they have 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, and 3. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like a hat. It is like an ice cream cone. Guess who it is? This is a square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. Guess who it is? This is the circle. It rolls around and around. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. Guess who it is? This is the rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides too, but opposite sides are equal in length, unlike squares. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is like a book. It is like a door. It is like a building. Guess who it is? This is the pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 corners. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. It is like a carousel. Guess who it is? This is the hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides and 6 corners. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a snowflake. It is like a nut. Now look around. What shapes can you find?